This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Maria Pashurdes. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. The Japanese yen rallied against the US dollar on Friday after Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda joined in the chorus of alarm voiced by senior officials from the country's finance ministry about the currency's rapid depreciation. Whilst that may not necessarily imply that the Bank of Japan is any closer to abandoning its ultra-accommodative monetary policy stance, the warnings from the government are getting louder and suggest FX intervention could be on the cards if the yen maintains its current pace of decline. The dollar skidded by more than 1% after the overnight comments. Fed Chair Jerome Powell reiterated his commitment on Thursday to bringing down inflation in what was the clearest indication that the Fed will repeat a 75 basis point rate hike at its September meeting. After yesterday's drop in weekly jobless claims to a 3-month low, a weak CPI print next week is unlikely to stop the Fed from hiking by 75 basis points again. Hence, the dollar's pullback today is probably temporary, though it has at least aided the euro to reclaim parity. The single currency came under selling pressure during ECB President Christine Lagarde's press conference before bouncing back to climb to 3-week highs. The ECB raised its key lending rates by 75 basis points as expected yesterday and signaled that more are on the way. But Lagarde put a dampener on the hawkish expectations by hinting that the remaining meetings with rate increases are likely to be less than 5. EU leaders are meeting in Brussels today to discuss ways at easing the economic impact of the energy crisis. In Britain, Prime Minister Liz Truss's announcement of an energy package worth an estimated £150 billion was overshadowed by the sad news on Thursday that Queen Elizabeth II died. The new government's plan had a lukewarm reaction in the markets as investors worried about what kind of an effect it would have on the UK's debt burden. Sterling hovered around $1.15 during yesterday's developments, but has jumped to above $1.16 on Friday. Stocks were also in a buoyant mood on Friday in spite of the ECB's aggressive rate hike and the prospect of more by the Fed and others. Rate-sensitive financial stocks pulled the S&P 500 above 4,000 yesterday and were boosting European stocks today. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.